Welcome back to the channel. My name's Aaron. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways that you can improve your tattoos. So these tips really helped me improve in a short amount of time when I first started tattooing, and I still do them all now. So if any of these tips have helped you, maybe you've done them before, or maybe you've got other tips, other stuff that's helped you in the past, let us know down in the comments. So this might seem slightly obvious to those of you watching a video right now named how to improve your tattoos, but this is something that really helped me, especially in the early days. I used to spend every free second I had just watching videos about different techniques, different equipment, the difference between a bug pin needle and a normal needle, for example. I just used to go down rabbit holes and just absolutely binge content until stupid o'clock in the morning, learning everything I could about everything. So it's definitely something I'd recommend. Just keep watching YouTube videos, keep learning. It's only going to make you better as an artist. Number 2, talk to other artists. So whether it's an artist that currently works in your studio, or it's an artist that you admire at a convention or on social media, this is definitely up there with something that really helped me out, especially in the beginning. So I definitely wouldn't be where I am right now. I wouldn't have improved as quickly as I did had certain people not given me their time and just spoken to me and educated me. Number 3, get tattooed by an artist that you admire. So this goes hand in hand with talking to other artists, but this just means that you get more time speaking to someone that you really admire. You look at their work and you want to be able to tattoo like that, or there's something that you just want to know how they've done it. So I've been tattooed now by a few artists that I really admire. I look at their work, I'm just like, how have you done that? They're artists that do a similar style to what I want to achieve and work towards. And in my experience, they've been more than happy to talk to me, answer questions, talk me through their process, their techniques, what they're using. And then the best part is you get to see all that in practice. Then you get to go away and apply that to your own work, or try something that you might not have thought of before. Maybe it works for you, maybe it doesn't. Everyone's got a different way of doing something, but ultimately it's all part of learning. So find an artist that really inspires you, that you really admire, that does the same style of work that you want to do, or do. Then book in with them, ask them questions, pick their brain. I'm sure they won't mind. So I feel very lucky that those people have shared that information and their process with me. So I definitely recommend just go book that tattoo. Number 4, upgrade your kit. So when I first started tattooing, not only did I watch a lot of YouTube videos about the techniques and the fundamentals of tattooing, but I also watch a lot of videos regarding equipment. Because when you first start out, there's stuff that you don't even know exists or you wouldn't even thought of. So like, what's the difference between a bug pin needle and a normal needle? What's the difference between different tapers on needles? What's the difference between a coil machine and a rotary machine? So once I'd educated myself, I'd put a list of kit together that would best suit my style and what I wanted to produce in the future. So the stuff I brought first was stuff that I wouldn't compromise on, such as a branded machine. I wouldn't go and buy an unbranded machine off eBay or Amazon or wherever. I did compromise on a power pack, as I brought a slightly cheaper one. And in terms of materials such as needles and ink, I brought branded but middle of the range materials that my budget allowed for. And then I slowly started saving. Each month I'd upgrade my kit, I'd buy something else. As soon as my prices went up and my budget allowed for it, I started buying the higher quality needles, highest quality inks. This gave me peace of mind that my kit would perform consistently, it'd be reliable, and that I'd always be achieving something to the best of my ability. 5, fall in love with the process. So this is something that I really struggle with, and I think one way or another everyone does within life in general, especially because of social media. If you're a bit of a perfectionist and you take pride in your work, chances are you'll never be happy with anything you produce. You'll never be happy with where you're at right now. You'll always be looking at other people thinking, why is my work not like that? Or you'll be zooming in on your own work thinking, that could be better, this should be better. Like, why is, you'll get so frustrated and so angry with yourself. But this means that you're always going to want to improve as an artist, and your work's always going to get better. So I think it's really important to fall in love with the process of learning, fall in love with looking back at your work and seeing how far you've come in such a short amount of time. Otherwise, you're just going to be chasing goalposts that are always moving. So ultimately, just keep learning, keep practicing, and just be patient with yourself. So they're the 5 things that really helped me when I started tattooing. As I said, I still do them now. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you got something from it. Let me know in the comments if any of these have helped you or you've done any of them yourself in the past. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe. I know everyone rams it down your throat on YouTube, but it would really mean a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.